Hello, Troop 14. This is your Troop 14 scribe, Brandon Perez, and I'm here with the December newsletter. Now, this newsletter will be about organization. It's how you would organize anything, really. But this one in particular is merit badges. Now, if you're just going for one single merit badge, I would just use this. It is a single binder. It is just, you have your blue card just in one little plastic folder, and then you have your worksheets, just like that. And then when you have multiple and you're going to a merit badge fair or something like that, you're going to use this, okay? Really big, really thick binder. It has, in the beginning, it has your schedule, okay? And then pencils and pens if needed. And then your first merit badge. And this one was scuba diving, and you have your blue card, the merit badge book, and the workbook. And that's the same for the rest of them. Now, when you're still working on them, you got a partial, then I use this. You're still working on them, you have time to do it before the next Court of Honor. You just have all of them in here. Same thing for those two. And when you are done, this is really heavy, but it's done. It's literally just all of the worksheets and stuff that I had from previous merit badges. And then the last one is just any patches and stuff I have. Now, I have the ranks and all the merit badge blue cards that were done. And then if you just have any stuff from camporees or merit badge fairs, I put them in here too. So I just have them just for if anyone just says anything. If I did go there, I still have proof that I did. And yeah. Okay. I hope you guys have a good holiday. Have some fun for Christmas. And I hope you guys have a good time. This is Brandon Perez, your Troop 14 scribe. And see you guys next time.